Millions of people poured into our country, and they're from prisons and they're from jails. They're from mental institutions and insane asylums. They're all different. Mental institution on steroids, as you know. They're emptying their jails into our country. They say, where do you come from? The Congo. We're in the Congo jail. What did you do? They wouldn't answer. We have the toughest people in the world being dropped into our country, and not from just South America. From South America, yes. Venezuela, their crime rate's down 72%. Their prison population is way down. Their mental institution population is way down. And this is true with many countries.
And that's because they're all
using
coming
us
here?
as a dumping ground. They're dumping their prisoners. They're dumping their gang members, MS-13. They're dumping everybody into our country. We have a totally open border